Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be doing a product review of the Proscenic 850T Wi-Fi robot vacuum and mop with gyro navigation that comes with like a boundary strip, a couple of extra spare parts, and then a simple self-charging station. Because it's not only like a really versatile and convenient little robot vacuum for hardwood floors and carpets, but because I really want to show why it's an excellent investment for our home. So the Proscenic 850T robot vacuum has 4 different cleaning modes, including like an auto clean. It has a spot clean, an edge clean, and a mop mode. And you're able to swap out between those different modes manually, remotely, or through the app. It's got a runtime of up to 100 minutes and allows you to schedule different times of the day and week to perform like its little cleaning, while also providing a boundary strip to block off areas that, you'd prefer it not to go to. But we got this vacuum for a couple of reasons. First, we've got different types of floors, and we wanted something that vacuumed effectively on all of them and had the capability of mopping our kitchen floors as well if we wanted to. The second reason is because we've got kids who are just constantly making messes, but often drop stuff on the ground like food and crumbs and other stuff, and wanted something that was like that would mindlessly clean it throughout the day. And the third reason is because we have a dog who is awesome, but sheds all the time. And so we wanted something that would also effectively remove his hair from like a carpet and the corners of rooms where it begins to like collect without us noticing. So if you're looking for like a robot vacuum for any of the same reasons, just go and buy this vacuum. But if you need further convincing, let's talk about how to set it up. So once you've removed all the strips and the plastic linings, you simply plug the little charging station into the wall and then set the 850T into its spot. And then this little light will begin to pulsate, meaning that it's actually charging. Then you can access and operate the 850T in 3 different ways. The first is remotely, with the actual remote, where you'll be able to change the settings, start and stop it, etc. And it's got a couple of other buttons as well. The second is through the app, which requires a little bit of like syncing up initially, but then allows you actually more control to overall deciding and like where to clean, when to clean, and that kind of stuff. And then the third is by just manually pressing on the buttons right here to have it stop, start, or return to its base. I found initially that it's actually easiest to just charge it up and then manually take off and begin cleaning, because I wasn't sure yet like where to actually put the charging station on our main floor. That was both discreet and hidden, so like our little boys like couldn't find it and then like tear it out of the wall. But also still being able to actually return to the station without like a door or something being shut and preventing it from returning. Why I love it though right off the bat is because of its real-time learning feature. So like once it begins cleaning, it also begins learning its surroundings, and it does this by simply just like bumping into everything and learning from its surroundings, which is actually really, really cool, instead of it just trying to like map out the entire room by like shooting off a laser or, trying to use like Wi-Fi for it. Another thing that I love is how it's able to get below all kinds of furniture and couches in areas that I could never get to with stick vacuums unless I completely moved the furniture. Now, with its 100-minute runtime, it can easily clean the entire main floor of our house. That it's got rugs, it's got carpet, it's got tile, and it's got hardwood flooring. So it'll clean the living room, the kitchen, the dining room, the powder bathroom, the mud room, this front entry room and the living room, our master bathroom, closet, and our bedroom as well. Then once every other day, I just unclip this little part here. I press this little button. I make sure that I do it over a trash can too. And then I just empty out the little dustbin. And once I've done that, I just snap the lid back in place. I insert it back into its back end, and then it's off to continue cleaning. Another really cool feature is that it finds its way back to the station, even if you move the station. So through some magic, I don't know how it works, but all you need to do is just press this button here, and then it will communicate with the station and then find its way back to it, even if you've moved the station during its cleaning session. So I had to do this a couple of times, because my boys were getting to the cord, and it was really, really neat to see that like it kind of sensed where the station was. And even when it's like low on battery, even if you change the station, it will know that like, okay, I need to stop because the station's been moved and I need to go find the station. And then applying the mopping feature is pretty simple as well. You simply just Velcro it here, and then you have the access to this little plug that if you remove it, you can then fill it with water and then obviously plug it back in place, and then it'll allow it to mop. But honestly, I would say that the best benefit of all is just how much convenience it's added to my life. My wife and I were deep cleaning and vacuuming our main floor like twice a day. And this has allowed us to like vacuum once every other day, while shortening like our vacuuming time as well. So just after having it for 2 weeks has made this investment worth it, because it was able to recuperate a ton of time that had been lost because we were spending all of that time vacuuming. Only suggestion is that if you do have kids, make sure to do like a little pickup before it begins vacuuming, especially like with cords or strings, because it will gobble them up and then it'll choke off the entire 850T. So anyways, if it isn't obvious by now, this thing picks up fine debris without issues. It works great on carpet and hardwood floors and tile. It takes about 4 hours to charge the battery, and then allows you to continue both vacuuming and mopping if your heart desires. So yeah, it's great, especially for the convenience and the amount of time that it gives back to your schedule to do other things. So anyways, that's my product review of the Proscenic 850T Wi-Fi robot vacuum. And if you've gotten this far in my video and found it in any way helpful or informative, even if you end up going with another robot vacuum, I'd really appreciate just a simple thumbs up or a heart on the video. Over and out.